All right, viewers, we have some breaking updates coming in at this hour. CBI is now conducting searches in Delhi and Noida, even as we speak right now, at the premises of Deepak and Ratul Puri, as well as Sunita Mudgal. The company under scanner is... In fact, we have this latest breaking update coming in at this point. The CBI is at this point conducting searches at the residence of... In fact, this is the latest update coming in of the CBI is now today conducting searches at Delhi, Noida, at the premises of the accused, including directors Deepak Puri, Ratul Puri and Mozaber Solar Limited and others in the case related to the alleged loss of rupees 787.25 crores to the Punjab National Bank and other consortium banks as well. A case was registered on a complaint from the Punjab National Bank as well. Let's go across to my colleague Shravan Sen, who's also joining us more on this. Shravan, over to you.
Well, the latest that we are picking up with regards to these searches that are now being carried out by the Central Bureau of Investigation, these searches are being carried out in Delhi as well as Noida, the premises of the accused, including directors Deepak Puri, Ratul Puri, of Mozaber Solar Limited, and also Sunita Mudgal, director of the company. This is with regards to the alleged loss of about 787 crore rupees to the Punjab National Bank and other consortium of banks. In fact, the Central Bureau of Investigation has already registered a case on the basis of a complaint that was filed by the PNB Bank against Mozaber Solar Limited and others, including its directors and other unknown persons, with regards to this bank fraud case. In fact, right now, as we speak, these are the latest visuals that are basically coming in from A187 in New Friends Colony of residents of Ratul Puri, where, as you can see at this point in time, that the Central Bureau of Investigation has been carrying out these searches. Important to also point out here, Richa, is that CBI maintains that since this is a search that is being carried out at a time when the pandemic is underway, and that's the reason why they are taking all necessary precautions, if I may say so. And as you can see from these visuals, CBI officials are wearing PPE kits to ensure that there is no lackadaisical approach that has been taken by the CBI. And as far as this entire case is concerned, remember, this is perhaps the first searches that have been carried out by the CBI in the Mozaber scam.
In fact, Shravan, another question to you. As we can see on the visuals on our screen right now, the officials are in fact wearing PPE kits as well to make sure that we are in fact still in a state of pandemic. But a case was in fact registered on the complaint of the Punjab National Bank against the Mozaber. If you can also give us a bit of a background on this entire case.
Well, in fact, not just the Central Bureau of Investigation, but the Enforcement Directorate had also carried out a detailed investigation. In fact, Ratul Puri was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate looking into money laundering angle. But as far as CBI is concerned, Richard, they are essentially limiting this entire investigation to criminal conspiracy, and also the fact that perhaps there was no intention on the part of this particular company that has been linked to Ratul Puri for perhaps returning the money that was taken from the bank itself. Rather, not just one bank, but a consortium of banks from which this loan was taken. They had essentially defaulted. And the fact that this money that was taken from Punjab National Bank was diverted to several other companies.
All right. Thank you so much, Shravan, for getting us our update. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.